Hey all, in this session we are going to see how we can able to perform mouse double click operation on any web element. Okay, so and the program is already available in this GitHub locations. You can go and download for your reference. Okay, now we are going to see how we can able to perform double click operation. So first I am going to this website, and after going this website, here you can see the field one has some value, so we are going to clear that one and we are going to add some value. Then afterward we are going to click on double click operation on this copy text button. So once we perform the double click operations, the field when whatever value is present here, that is going to copy and going to paste here in the field 2. So let's see. Yes, here you can see here the whatever value present in field 1 is same copied in field 2. Let's start programming. Okay, uh, so first I need some of the import statements. Import time. Second one is from Selenium import WebDriver. Then afterward from Selenium, to perform any keyboard or mouse related actions we need action chains. So we need to import that one. So Selenium WebDriver import action chains. Now it's done. Now let's create one browser window WebDriver. So browser is equal to WebDriver dot, in this case I am opening the Chrome driver. Chrome, I need to pause the Chrome driver exe file location. So in this case I have saved here. I will copy, paste here, done. Okay, now I want to maximize the window. Browser dot maximize window, done. Now I'm going to open the browser. Browser dot get, open this location, copy. Yes, once that is done means now we need to move here field 1 and we need to clear this one, and afterward we need to enter some value. So field 1 is equal to browser dot find element. What is this address of this one? Yeah, here you can see by using id we can able to access. So find element by id field 1. Similarly we need this one copy text button. So go here, this is a button. Okay, so I'm going to copy slash slash button contains text, comma copy text. Yeah, we got. Okay, now copy text button is equal to browser dot find element by xpath. Yes, now we are done. Now 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 we are going to clear whatever value is present in field 1, that is field 1 dot clear, then field 1 dot send key some value. So tech made me lazy. Okay, now we are going to wait for some time dot sleep for 10 seconds. Once once that done means we are going to click on copy text button dot click. Okay, once that means let's wait for another 15 seconds. then afterward browser dot quit. Yeah, we are done. Now sorry, here we have done only the single click operation, but we need to perform the double click. So if you want to double click means we need to use the action chains is equal to action chains. Inside we are going to pass the browser object, then action chains dot double click on copy text button, then afterward perform. This one is not needed. Okay, now this is done. Now right mouse button and run. So execute started. We open the browser window, then afterward we will go to the field one. Is some predefined value is there. Now it's reboot and we entered some value, then afterward wait for 10 seconds, then afterward is going to click on copy text button, this button. That time the value is copy. Yeah, it is clicked and you can see the value is present, copied from field 1 and is pasted in field 2. Now it is waiting for 15 seconds, then afterward it is going to close the browser window. Yeah, we are done. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.